Hi everybody, welcome to the AddUp booth out here at Rapid 2024. Really excited this year to showcase some of our customers' newest parts built on our PVF and DED systems. These parts that you're about to see really spotlight AddUp's best-in-class surface finish, fine feature resolution, and maximum throughput on a 4-laser system.
This here is a build plate produced by King Machine, one of our newest customers, contract manufacturer in the mold and tooling space. They purchased our Forma 350 platform for the fine feature, surface finish, and throughput capabilities. This build produced in the USA is a build plate of tire sights for their #1 customer in the tire OEM space.
This is a slide mold we printed in stainless steel for a project we ran with Siebenwurst. The actual project was one solid part, but here we cut it up in CAD and printed it in 2 so that you could see what our internal channels look like. We went through a whole conformal cooling design process so that they could eliminate the hot spots and reduce that part of the cycle time.
Here we're looking at a build plate of some L-lift spinal implants. These are used to support the lumbar. We're able to 3D print these in Ti 6.4. Right here you can observe that we're able to create an overhang without any structural support, as well as built-in threading on each part. Not only do we provide excellent geometry for our customers, but our AddUp dashboards features build reports on every build.
This is a rocket nozzle that we printed in Inconel 718. The whole build took 49 hours, and the main value adds are the complex internal cooling channels and the fact that we could greatly shorten the development cycle.
Here we have a plate from our partner Armadillo Additive. They're a contract manufacturer for 3D printed titanium orthopedic implants. This is tibial trays that showcase the fine feature detail that is possible on the Forma 350 by using and creating a variety of lattice structures for osseointegration.
Here we are showcasing some of our DED capabilities with this part made of Inconel 718. We're able to take 5 different tubes and create one 5-in-1 manifold assembly, printed simultaneously in different 5mm layers. Not only are we able to exemplify the removal of an assembly, but we're able to maintain that thin wall structure that makes DED so relevant.
This is a turbo housing in Inconel 718 that we printed in this orientation. We kept the internal channel the same shape that the designers are always used to using, and that helps out with the performance, the fact that we don't have to use any teardrops on the internal fluidic channels and no internal supports either.
Here we have a hip rasp that is used to clear the femoral canal during a hip replacement surgery in preparation for the final implant during the procedure. It's printed on the Forma 350 using the 316L fine parameter set, which ensures a sharp, great surface finish directly off the printer.
Thanks so much for touring our booth at Rapid. We look forward to seeing you next year.